Hey, this is Brian. I'm in Campbell and I've just redone my master bathroom with Done Right Remodeling. Yeah, I really enjoyed working with Done Right Remodeling right from the start. They came in and showed us what the process would look like from start to beginning, gave us a good idea. This was our first remodel, so that was really valuable to me. And throughout the whole process, they were very responsive to questions and even helping us choose individual fixtures and telling us, the pros and cons of different types. We worked with Ray. He was our project manager. Again, very responsive throughout. Everything happened on time. He gave us a good schedule at the start, and we lived up to it. The crew, he put a great crew together. They came through. They were very respectful. They kept, they came in with masks, and they put plastic over the area just to ensure that things don't get dirty, and so we really appreciated that. We were able to call Ray, email, text. He was very responsive on all formats, and anything that came up, we were able to get a quick response from him, and we got it done. Our bathroom was beautiful, and the amount of time to get it done was very reasonable. Very happy. We definitely happy with the results. So we went about three and a half weeks. Some of that was, a lot of those days were not working days. There were, waiting maybe for permits or things like that. And so overall, again, it definitely met expectations. Ray set us up from the start with what to expect, and so it really wasn't a surprise to us. I think Ray did a great job. I would definitely recommend him for a remodel. We have other rooms in the house, and it's definitely a strong consideration for how well he's done on this remodel.